No, oh, man, we're back. How you doing, everybody? That was an easy little break.
That was easy.
Welcome back to the afternoon show. Here, it's Uncle Bruce here. Stock markets with Bruce. Welcome to the last hour of trading in today's market. Let's see what's going on. We're going to do that and then cover the afternoon for the first hour afterwards. Bruce, welcome to in the after hour. See what's going on. There we go. Mute that. Welcome back, everybody. Watching GameStop here, having little signs of life, just a little bit. The shares were just under the break even all morning here, just in around the 160-61 range. But we have we're above the number 162.39. We're up $1.38. We did get up to 167 for like a minute or two or three. I don't know why it did that, but it did it. Thank you very much. Right now, the volume on GameStop for the day, 2.3 million shares. Not a lot to get excited about there. Again, AMC as high as 979 in the first hour of the day or so, hour and a half of the day, but unfortunately has not been able to build on that. It is now sitting at 944, up 44 cents for AMC on 32 million shares. And the company is they got a lot of debt here and they're carrying a lot of extra weight. Over at Microvision, up 33 cents to 14.33. Fifth Wall acquisition, the SPACs in the SPAC area. We are down 20 cents on Fifth Wall at 10.90. We've got Vector acquisition down 14 cents at $10. We have Nafsite Holdings sitting at 9.90 down unchanged. Excuse me. And we have IPOE down a penny at $14.99. We've got Gores Holdings down 17 cents to $11.48. We have VG Acquisition, VGAC down 6 cents to $9.95. It was actually up about 6 cents this morning. Starboard Value at $9.94, down a nickel. Fortress Value up a penny at $10. Now, Vanek Vectors, the ETF, is up $2.85. Home Depot is up $1.06. International Business Machines, IBM, down $1.19. The Dow up 209 points, having a very good day today. S&P up 30, NASDAQ up 127. Other stocks we follow, Microsoft up 344, coming on again. Apple up 80 cents a share. Tesla up 768. Bed Bath & Beyond up 36 cents to 25.27. BlackBerry up 31 cents. What else? The cruise lines, the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, 83.90 up 319. Norwegian up 58 cents to 28.38. Carnival Corp up 66 cents to 26.61. Looking okay today. Other than that, not a lot really happening. Amazon down 383. Nvidia up $10 today. That's having a good day. Goldman Sachs up $4. Disney up $2 to 184, kind of hanging in that 180-85 range right now. Google up $21 to 2,400 a share, and Netflix over 500 to 504, to up $4, 471. DraftKings underwater all day today, down 295 to 48.94. And Intel up 46 cents to 57.65. Micron up $1. Coinbase 262 up 478. Still, it's had a better than this range already. It has been as high as 267, but as low as 258 today. And Boeing up $5 at 235 a share. There you go. GameStop 161.81, up 80 cents with no news today. No inkling of an announcement that we are aware of as we wait for the company to announce who their new CEO is going to be. How's that search going? How are they doing? Are they into final negotiations? Will we hear something soon? We hope for the best. We hope for a big hit there. We'll wait to see who they are going to talk about. Thank you, everybody. 170 by the end of the day, says Conduit, the Switch. Okay. Not to worry. Don't worry. Oh, my God, I'm holding strong, but IPOE is making my eyes hurt. David, what should I make for dinner? Hey, guys, I'm on the long drive, but I'm listening. Observe thyself. Right on. Jack Bauer saying hello there. Drew, they are just begging me to buy more IPOE. What can he say? Right now, $14.98 down 2 pennies. The high of the day for IPOE was $15.30, and the low $14.87 about half an hour ago. It is now at $14.98 to $15 right now, $15 unchanged on 1.7 million volume today. So there is very good There's very good volume on this stock, even without the deal closed. The deal is going to close. It will go through. We're just looking for the third week of May to the first week of June. Somewhere in that 2-week window is where we think this deal will be finalized, will be concluded, completed, and the merger will take place. So it is due at any time. We are noticing lately that some of the other SPACs that I'm recommending to you that we're following, we're noticing that new filings are coming out from these companies under SEC recommendations, requests, maybe demands. I don't know. The SEC is saying that companies have to refile their filings and reflect different things about warrants and what have you. They're doing it, but it makes no difference at the end of the day to the deals that they've announced, the mergers that they've put together. They're going ahead with their mergers, and so they're just doing their refilings. The SEC is accepting the filings as valid, and they're going ahead with mergers. And so we are coming into the last month now of time where these mergers will be completed, and these companies will change their names, change their stock symbols, and away we go. Hey, Uncle Bruce, my weekend movie recommendation for you and Jen, Quentin Tarantino's Inglourious Basterds with Brad Pitt, Diane Kruger, and Melanie Laurent. How about that? How about Steaks on the Grill for dinner? I grabbed some more IPOE after I told myself I have enough. Resident Fleet, I love that movie. Michael knows the way. Michael, you at 2,000 now? Ha ha. And that's crazy. I got a game IPOE at $14.99. To the moon is laughing. Soren, ladies and gents, do not forget to get some GHVI. Christopher Waltz is so good in that movie too. Have the libation games started? May the odds be ever in your favor. I'm not sure if they've started. I think there's sort of an unofficial start time as soon as the bell goes on the exchange. I think the first hour of the aftermarket is where it begins, although it could already be on. I'm really not exactly sure how this plays out. It's these are rules that I don't make. I am only the conduit to which all of this happens. I just give you the stories and you follow the rules yourselves. It's also about the boom, says Soren. For Din Din, it's spinach and the ricotta pasta ravioli with light salt and pepper. Dwayne, internet libations lock and loaded. Oh yeah, that's the start time. Sure. Oh yeah, Thomas. Sure. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Bruce. Whatever Bruce says there. Yeah, at the market. Yeah, when the bell goes. Sure. Yeah, that's okay. Sure. Michael, I'm not playing the drinking game this week. Sorry, have a communion tomorrow. Sorry, guys, I couldn't wait. My game has started. 1,500 IPOE. I thought I had a ton of SPACs. I have 1,000 spread over all of them. There you go. Am I late for the AA meeting? Laughing out loud. Best bet. It started at lunch. It's already been ongoing. Oh man. What do we got? IPOE 14.98. Stock markets with Bruce. What are the odds you were able to check out that SPAC I recommend? It seems to be a quiet day in the market. I was hoping you were bored enough. Haha, SPFR. I took a quick peek at it, and I didn't see much on it. It's sitting at $10 right now, and the low is $9.95, high of $12.10 so far since issue. And it looks like they raised about $400 million something dollars. And you had indicated that it was merging into something called Velo 3D, something like that. And I was trying to find something about the Velo 3D deal. And let me take one more peek at it over here. Maybe I can find something there. Is there any kind of a filing that has been done? Institutional ownership, annual reports, special events. Yeah, there was something done on the 25th of March, but I don't think we have anything here that is recent, like really recent. Jaws Spitfire Acquisition Corporation is the name of this company. Cayman Island-based entity, not unusual. They went public with shares and warrants, so they issued units, and part of each whole warrant accessible for Okay. And what's that? 1/4 of it. So the unit came out with a stock and 1/4 of a warrant. So, of course, after you have 4 units, you've got one whole warrant, 4 shares in a warrant. You can buy one more share at $11.50 a share. So that's what we have. I don't see any other info here regarding. Here it is. Okay, here we go. We got something here about the company. Jaws, Velo 3D, and the respective directors, members are deemed to be participants in associated proxies. I'm not sure what this is saying here. Anyway, I don't have anything. I don't have anything here. They've talked about they had a TV interview of some kind, March 24th, talking about a potential to merge. That's all I've really got here. It's just I don't have any of the other details, and I'm not going to read this on air. It's going to take me forever. So I got nothing at the moment. I have really nothing much to tell you at this point about this deal. And we'll see if anything comes of it. I don't know anything about it at this point. I can't find any news on it like at this moment, so I'll keep looking. 161.51 on GameStop right now, up 50 cents on the day. The market is up 215 for the Dow, 32 on the S&P 500, 132 on NASDAQ. Oil up 9 cents. That's what we have at the moment. Volume on GameStop, as I was saying here, 2.4 million shares, not a lot. AMC now at 940, slumping just a little bit here in the last hour. We got 49 minutes to go. And it was sitting in this 950, 55 range, now in the 940 neighborhood. The low of the day, 914. That was first thing this morning. Midday, the low of the stock was about 932, so 8 cents from here at this point in time. All righty, that's what we got right now. IPOE 14.98, Gores Holdings 18 down by 18 cents. It was just at the break-even mark a few minutes ago, but it's given up a little bit of ground again as we follow the market in this last hour. That's what we got. Let's see here. Let's see. Larry, we're posting this stuff on Discord too. I am the Hawaiian Pineapple Pika. Okay, I started last night. Bruce is on a need-to-know basis with this game. I loved it, and Diane Kruger's Sheets was great and beautiful. That's right, John. I bought more today as I didn't want to run out during the spike, which was just about to happen. Drew, I'm not drinking today. I'll be walking the greener path. Joss Spitfire announced a definitive agreement to merge with Velo 3D. Drew, that's nice. Wally's World, hey, I'd be there with us, but I'm driving, so I'll be quiet for a while. Listen only mode, so nice. Thomas, keep it going. Drew, Michael, yeah, the Cabo Wabo in Cinco de Mayo still has me. And there you go. I haven't watched in a while. I'm watching this again this weekend. What do we got here? Star Wars with Bruce. No worries. I appreciate you checking it out. You're still my favorite uncle. Thank you. I picked up a libation, says Carlos. I picked up a libation SPAC, BSPE merging with Vintage Wine Estates. 500 shares gets you 15% off wine. That's as valuable as a covered call strategy plus a dividend. Deal finalizes in early June. I'm okay with that, says Drew. Andy, wasn't today the last congressional hearing or something? I think that was yesterday. Conduit, LTNC, Labor Smart. Okay. What do we got here? Toki Dog, a $5 donation. Thank you, Toki Dog, for that. Appreciate that. Michael, I'm never calling it a drinking again. It's now and forever partaking in libations. Definitely 14A filed for an IPOE. Hey peeps, hi peeps from Ashley. Hello there. Welcome to the afternoon show. We have about 46 minutes to go before we are done for the day here. The big news that came out today was the labor report regarding the unemployment rate and job creation numbers for the USA for the month of April, and it did not come off as a massive good thing as far as what people were hoping to hear. People were hoping to hear 1 million jobs created during the month. Only 266,000 actually were reported created. So we're not getting that boost. But the good news for the market in a roundabout way is because the labor market has so far further yet to go to get all those jobs back that have been lost. The heat for the possibility of interest rate rises has dissipated completely. So this is really good news. The Dow likes this. The Nasdaq likes this. The 10-year Treasury notes have backed off from the 160 range. So we're definitely getting a break there. Although I will say the U.S. 10-year was down to 150 this morning. It's now 1.57, but it's still under that 165 to 1.7 level that we were worried about. As far as the markets go, like I said, the Dow is really happy, up 234, up 0.68 of a percentage point. S&P is up 0.8% at 34 points, and Nasdaq is up 1 full percentage point to 13,770. The Dow right now is at all-time record highs. These are highs. S&P should be awfully close or at record highs as well. Nasdaq having another good day to kind of work its way back up there. Very interesting. A lot of talk right now about what's going to happen on Saturday Night Live tomorrow night with Elon Musk. We'll be watching for that. And I don't know. I'm not sure if there's going to be any promotional info coming out of there or not for any shareholders or potential shareholder wannabes for Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency players. I don't know if there'll be anything there. But we'll see what's going on. We'll see what happens. Let's see. What else have we got? For the first time ever, California sees a yearly population decline. Headline coming through. First time California's had a population decline. It's not surprising. Considering what we've been hearing lately, that's really not all that surprising. Alrighty. Okay, that's that. Following the markets here, GameStop 161.45, just up 44 cents on the day. Not a lot to get excited about at this point. How you doing, Jen?
Well, I'm going to hit the hammock.
She's going to hit the hammock.
And get, a few rays.
Going to get some rays.
So then I can really appreciate my rattler.
She's going to appreciate her rattler because she knows that in 43 minutes the markets are closed. And
you know how it is. The more you drink, the more arm I show.
The more she drinks, the more arms she's going to show. Oh, this show is quickly going downhill. We haven't even started yet. Jen's out of control. Oh my gosh! Look out! There's no stopping this. Oh man, I don't know. I just don't know. Oh my gosh. Wally's World. Thanks, brother. I'm actually just watching today, working stuff. Designated driver. Hello, apes and apettes. How are we doing? Would this game be a good experiment to find out how much water is too much to drink in a day? Liquid lunch with Bruce. I don't know. So busy with work, I can't keep track at the moment, baby, even while I'm working. Yahoo, Ashley, IPOE vote is May 27th. The IPO vote is coming up May 27th for a merger, which tells me a week after that, the deal could be done. Something like that is very, very doable. Michael, we can quaff some kind of whatever. Hey, Ashley. Hi, Bruce. Did you maybe read the email I sent you with the article about the VGAC? Any thoughts? I get so many gazillions of these emails. I may or may not have. I've got 50 since this morning, so I haven't had time. Forgive me for that, everybody. It's just next to impossible to stay on top of it. By the way, thank you for the 217 thumbs ups we have already on this show. Appreciate that. Very nice of you to already throw us thumbs ups this early in the show. 161.14 on GameStop. That's where we're at right now. Let's see. Homies. Ashley, do you have a van? I can do diligence as well as what does that do for 5? But plenty of room in the bed of the truck. I also have signed a waiver not liable for lost passengers. I don't know what's going on there. Jake, laughing out loud. Whew, I made it, says Dana. You made it. Dana, yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome, dear. Jobless numbers are up, equal more people at home playing the market. There you go. Dogecoin to $1. That's where it's going. I need this to the moon already. D. Gray, another irrational white candle day, and I'll have to buy anything just to make some money back. Let's see here. Here we go. I don't understand the hatred for Elon by the SNL gang. Ashley, Derek, I have a Mercedes Sprinter, no seats, but we got to stack them and rack them, laughing out loud. Toki Dog, thank you for this donation. S4 is effective with the The SEC, the IPO vote is May 27th, deal to be closed on the 5th of the next day, and trading on SoFi on 6/01. So June 1, trading for SoFi on the exchange, which means that the IPOE symbol will disappear. The stock now up 17 cents to 15.18 right now. It's moving. People now know the deadline. They now know the indications are we're down to the last 3 weeks before she shifts over, or roughly 3.5 weeks. Getting interesting. 15.18 on IPOE right now. Volume now 1.9 million on the IPOE stock so far today. Interesting how this might change things, and it'll be interesting to see how IPO starts to trade going forward, because if people are of the conviction that the IPOE, which is now 15.20, by the way, it's going up again. People are of the mind that IPO is literally SoFi now. 15.22 just went up another 2 cents. IPOE is moving right now. It is moving while I am talking to you live. It is starting to make a move. Now, is this the big move of all moves? I don't know. This is just in anticipation. 15.23. There's obviously some anticipation and excitement here, but these shares have already been as high as 28.26. Just so you know how high these shares have already been to. So if you haven't got your IPOE, 15.24 is where they are now. They are cheap compared to where they were in the last month or so, but they are getting volume coming in here. So this is a good sign. How often do you think you can guarantee the SEC is watching SNL? Really, nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows. Jesus, enjoy your rattler. Let's see, Sharon. Yeah, basically they hate anything that doesn't think, act, or believe what they do. Sadly, death to comedy or satire anymore. Drew, drink. We've got ARM. Laughing out loud, Jennifer. Everyone's happy. Laughing out, Jen. Way to go, Jen. Toki Dog, thank you for this info. We're now at IPOE 15.31, up 31 cents. It's moving higher now. Whoa, scandalous. Laughing out loud, says Ashley. Rabbit, make me blush. What's in that rattler? Evan, don't tease us. Rattler snake. Yay, California peeps moving to Miami like I did from LA. Where's the sock puppet? Resident Flea. I thought this was a PG channel. Shame. Best aunt ever. Dang, I love Jen. By the end, it's going to look like 3 arms. I thought we kept her at PG in here. Right now, IPOE 15.34, moving up another penny. It's going up in pennies at the moment as it picks up a little bit of steam here. It is now on 2.1 million shares traded. There's buying coming into IPOE right now in anticipation of this SPAC becoming SoFi. And get ready for all the other SPACs to do the same thing. When the other SPACs have this exact scenario, get ready. Make sure you're in there. 15.40 on IPOE right now. Jen is not allowed to read the rules. SoFi update. They posted they will switch the ticker on the 28th. They will switch the ticker on the 28th. All right, is Jen playing the drinking game? She might be. Chino, hey, awesome, Chino. Exciting. Just bought another 100. Ashley, you have a waiver as well. Nice. Thanks for the update. GS having a good day. Woohoo! It's great news on IPOE. It's now 15.52. Just jumped a dime. 15.52, up 52 cents on IPOE. If you haven't got it, get it. Wally's World. Whoa! I had to pull over for that. Uncle Bruce, you're a lucky man. Makes me love my Jen more each day. You two laugh out loud too much. Arm Jen. SoFi calls incoming. Bruce, when are you gonna throw the roller skates back on? Never. June is going to be an exciting month. 15.46 on IPOE. Thomas, big time, smiling on the road again. Glenn Bear, I fear NBC will allow Elon Musk to attempt to whitewash billionaire wealth on SNL. If it happens, people will be angry. I hope it doesn't happen. A lot of people are struggling for jobs right now. 15.50 on IPOE. Volume 2.19 million. Moving up. 15.50 last trade, up 50 cents right now. GameStop 160.15. Gores Holdings 11.49, down 16 cents. Not participating yet, and wouldn't be necessarily. But 15.56 on IPOE. It's going higher. Drive safe, Wally. My July IPOE calls are gonna like like this. Best bet, Waffle Swan. I have 175 shares. I bought more today, says Antoinette on IPOE. Well done. 1560 just went up another dime. Derek Johnson, I'm old school. I do business on a handshake, and I never sign anything. I never get beat, and got beat. Be no complete clause. I laugh now a lot. Michael Thomas, although I may wait a bit and see what it does for a week or two. 1568 on IPOE. Jen L, yay, 800. I got 800 IPOE shares. Philly Flasher, I swooped up somewhere. IPOE today at 1493. It's now 1568. Up 70 cents, 1570 now. Glenn, NBC, after all, is the same news company who boosted Trump's reputation for much of the past 20 years. If it happens again, people are going to flip out. IPOE is flying, 1570 up 70. I'm a little drunk, says Waffle Report. IPOE still on the move up. Michael, Jen, very nice. Picked up one more at GameStop for the boys. Raptor, pace yourselves. Burr, hit the fireworks. 1578 up 77 cents on IPOE. Sharon, I'm not drinking for the next month. After tomorrow, the pace will be high. This is great to watch on IPO. I've been buying all morning. This never happens. Greatest of timing. I just bought 100 at $14.99. Waffle, one month sobriety. Hi, Bruce. Kirk from the Big Apples here. How you doing, buddy? We're going up on IPOE right now. 1593 up 93 cents. It is on the move, folks. IPOE. Hang on to your hats. We got a little run coming so far today. Is this the big run? I don't know, but it's a move up, and it is definitely not. It is not fooling around. It is on a move right now. IPOE 15.99 up $1. And the volume now approaching is in excess of 2 million, $16 a share right now. Volume 2.4 million shares, $16 IPOE. Do you think the shareholder vote will be positive? I think so. No, watching Uncle Bruce while driving, Wally. Jen, nice. Heck yeah, July IPOE calls. Maybe it's us pushing it up. American, good going. Bought some 420 calls on PBR. The IPOE candle is unreal. Thanks to Uncle Bruce. We made it for the last half hour. Calls already 6 in the money. Was Auntie Jen's arm moving in slow motion like a Baywatch montage, or have I already had too many? You've already had too many. American, anybody know what to expect SoFi to trade at the open market when acquisition completes? Nobody knows. It's 1604. It's going higher. It's been as high as 28 already a month or two ago. This is not new territory for the stock. It's just a new high today, 1604 right now, as it continues to move a little better. Although I just saw it trade at 1580, so it's jumping. What do we got? 33 minutes before the close, and we're at 1584. Little stock coming in, but we're back to 1589. There's a bit of a wave coming in here on this stock. Yay, bagel! Family make it. Drew, neat. We're going higher. 1584. Damn it, I had meant to join the drinking today, but I just got in from work. Butta. My eyes aren't hurting as much all of a sudden. 1603. What will happen to the GameStop short contract if hedge funds simply go bankrupt? They won't simply go bankrupt. They will not go bankrupt. They have enough money. 1588 last trade on the IPOE. As we're watching this move, I don't know if it touched 1615, but Bruce, did you see that Nancy Pelosi's husband bought $4.5 million in AMC yesterday? I didn't watch that, and I generally don't watch that, but they are millionaires. I know that. Jen L, wow, congrats, IPOEers. IPOE, you're so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for, everything I need. Philly Flasher, way to go. 10 more GameStop, 160. Here we go. 160.58 on GameStop. IPOE 1576 up 76 cents. Now I'm showing it at 1582. PA, Alpal Guitars, then DTCC, then the SEC, then FED. Don't worry, Wally. I suspect these Fridays will continue for a while. Just wait till IPOE converts. They have insurance. I'll be grumpy, sober, Raptor in the next few Fridays. Thank you, Aaron from Pal Guitars. 1583, 1585, 1590. It just jumped again and again and again. It is taking on another run. 2.68 million. So we traded almost 1 million shares in 20 minutes on IPOE, known as Social Capital Hedo Sophia Holdings Corp, number 5. IPOE, IPOE, which stands for 5. How about that? 1620, just jumped to 1620. Boom, went up like 25 cents in a moment. 1629 right now. I hope you guys are getting rich. That's what I want to hear. I want all of you to have a lot of IPOE in your portfolios. What are your thoughts on WKHS earnings on Monday? I don't know who that is. Don Cherry for Governor General. Go GameStop. I'm okay if they want to drag me out for another month or more. I'll just be adding to my rocket fuel stockpile. This is fun to watch on IPOE right now. $16.18, $16.18. Now VGAC has to do the same. And get ready for each of them will do this. I'm convinced that each of these SPACs will do this in their own unique way. But this IPOE is going to become a major player in the marketplace. This is going to be a very popular stock. It's going to become a Wall Street Bets favorite. It's going to be a Reddit favorite. Online banking. It's all about online banking, and it is perfect for the Reddit crowd. This stock is going to be a heavy trader. It's going to be a swinger, lots of movements. 1626, but it's not going to be down here. There's no way this stock's going to be down here when it's all said and done. To the Moon says 16.4. Pal Guitars, no problem. Moon and Zzz, I've been holding VAGCs in 1030. You just sit there and hang on and enjoy. I bought 120 IPO this morning, having a nice run. IPO is running. Uncle Bruce for the head man of the SEC. I find it crazy how stocks move so much just on news. 1617 now, 1615 as we're moving along. Blair, IPOE. Adam, I just made 10 grand on IPO in 2 minutes. I bought in days ago at 1625 a share. I can't stop buying GameStop. I'm addicted. To the moon. Whoa! As long as is an Uncle Bruce favorite, it's fine with me. Zaksha Grinder, having fun. Michael, yeah, and even crazier now how GameStop investors on good news, laugh a lot, nothing to see here. 1616 and 1605. It's jumping around a bit right now. Soon there will not be enough stock down here for sale. The demand will come in. It's going to come in more and more and more and more. And there will not be enough paper down at these levels to satisfy the demand because all the stock being held by the insiders of this company, they can't sell it, like the actual founders of this thing. And all the shares being issued to the private company, SoFi, they can't sell it. They'll be restricted. All the shares being bought by the Wall Street hedge funds and pension funds and mutual funds that are piling $1.9 billion into this thing, they can't sell it. Only you guys can trade this stock. The free trading is the only stock can continue the free trading. And I think there will be 10 times as much interest in this stock that there has been already. And it'll trade 20, 30 million a day or more. And there will not be enough paper at the teens to go around. It'll be double this, triple this in no time. I'm sure of it. 1609. Just plain English. You get in here, get this stuff. Telling you, get it. My 8,000 shares doing me well. Thanks to Uncle Bruce. Merkin, right? When I get paid next week, I'm going to pick up another 125 shares. Conduit switch. This is the way. HD setting new daily highs. Thank you, Bruce. Uncle Bruce, what are we going to do when GameStop goes to the moon? Oh, we're going to keep having fun. Those are Those are sales on GameStop. Laughing out loud. Where do you find the emojis? The emojis are made by my editor. I have an editor, and we collaborate together about some ideas, and she kind of puts them together. It's cool stuff. IPOE 1612 right now. And GameStop 160.35. We have 27 minutes to go before we close for the night. Dana Merkrin, according to Uncle Bruce, it will be a great stock. Just buy it now and hold. Anything around 15 is good. As soon as volume hits GameStop, it's game over. Exactly. Just bought 14 more shares of IPOE. All I can afford at the moment. Uncle Bruce is the truth. Aaron, I guess the news giving us discounted GameStop is a positive catalyst in itself. Steve M, pay attention when purchasing calls. When accidentally bought one for 15 expiring May 21, 2021 rather than 2020. I can finally breathe again, laughing out loud. 33 million today on GameStop. GameStop volume today, 2.5 million shares. That's it on GameStop. IPOE trading at 1609, 3.15 million shares now. Dana got an extra $80 sitting in my brokerage, considering pulling the trigger on some more IPOE. But CNBC says SPACs are too risky for us retail plebes. There you go. You believe those guys, don't you? Ona, if GameStop hits 33 million today, I'll backhand my boss. Sharon Gravel in the emoji drawer, of course. Bruce, I've had a couple already. Oh no, best bet. Nini, love Jen, arm contact emoji drawer. Picked up 100 shares of IPOE. I looked wrong. It's 2.5. Buy some IPOE calls. Easy money. Tis but a scratch. No, I'm late, but now. But wow, IPOE 16.18 up $1.18 right now. All good. Dana Abel does always next time. Sharon, a real answer laugh loud. You might have a smiley face icon next to the chat bar. Laughing out loud, best bet. Neat from Eddie. 1623 on GameStop, on IPOE, 1625 now. And it is approaching, I think, the high of the day, which is 1642. So if it gets over that, it's the new high. Let's see. Laugh out loud. You have no bosses. The only thing I believe is we will all have more commas in our banks, more commas in our banks accounts soon. Commas. 1622, 1623 is the last trade on IPOE, up $1.22. The news is coming out, apparently, that their deal is coming together. 1638, the deal is going to happen. And it is coming up very, very shortly. We are getting the vibe that it's a done deal before the month end is out. 1646, just saw it. That's a new high on IPOE, now up to 1641, up $1.41 a share right now. It is moving and rocketing higher, and people are getting excited. Diamond Dollar Gorilla, who's the boss? I may be able to make it to Uncle Bruce's trivia tonight. I want to jump into IPO, but I don't want to FOMO buy. I only FOMO buy GameStop. Right now it is 1629 on IPOE. Clap, got it. Thanks. 540 IPO just hit my pension account. Old me says thanks. Just made it to the stream. What am I missing? IPOE is on the move. It is now at 1627, up $1.27. The deal is going to close between now and the end of the month. It looks like. Go IPOE. Glad I bought in last night. To the moon, you the boss. IPOE. Just met my neighbor's new puppy for a selfie session. Okay, I know what I'm going to drink during the game. Zach Kappa 23. I'll toast to IPOE. Drew, in my case, more points. Since we use comments for decimals, we used to that. I'll probably drop again before the ticker swap. Let's not get too excited. Exactly. It could well do so, or it could go just higher. Might go into the 20s and then back off. I don't know. I'll backhand my boss. Love that. The first rule in Fight Club, there is no boss. What is the trivia topic tonight on Traveling with Bruce? Oh, I don't give those away. Oh no, that people cheat. Grabbed a 10 IPOE at 1627 just now. All I could afford till next week. 1638, you're up. 1654, you're up again. I feel the same. 3 out of 4 IPO calls in the green. Joe, laughing out loud. The merger hasn't even happened yet, but the vote is going through. We got the dates now, and now we know when it's going to be held. 1652 on the stock. I think we're near or at the high. 1655. Yep, we're at the high range now. 1660 is the high today. 1661 just now. Volume 3.6 million. We had 2 million trade in 25 minutes on IPOE, and this is only the beginning. 1669 on IPOE. Moving up, folks. Making money today on IPOE. GameStop 160.40. And it's down 61 cents. Kind of quiet. John Van, 1666. This is awesome. Yes, it is. I feel sorry for your boss. Oh, she's gone. Holy macaroni. 1665 on the stock right now. Eddie is loving this. Thumbs ups for Uncle Bruce. Thank you, everybody. We could sure use them. If you can spare thumbs ups, tell the world. Give us thumbs ups, and YouTube will spread the word that more people should join us, and they'll hear all about the IPOE. They'll hear all about GameStop. They might even buy this stuff. If you tell them to come here, you just got to get the thumbs ups going. That's all you got to do. Help me out. Please do. 321 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody. We are happy for that, and we'll try to get more. The last time IPO jumped like this in early March, the stock went up to 19. What range could IPO reach this time? Maybe back to February highs. Easily. 1678 now, 1687. Uncle Bruce, you called it. Holy macaroni. 1,134 watching and 317 thumbs up. Can I say, everyone pick me up on IPO at 1669. I've been holding for a month. 1685 right now and climbing. Let's go, says Conduit, the switch. And the switch. Yep, we are rolling 1685 on the stock. Hey, Uncle B, can Jen slip you a bagel so IPO goes higher for all of us? I've got 1750. I've got 1750 and $20 calls for May. Bruce, do you think I should hold for another week or so or close soon when they're up? I also have June and July. Well, you've got till May 21, so you've got 2 more weeks. So it's possible that tonight and next early part of next week, you might get into this $18 to $20 range. So you might cash in there and then just roll into May 28th or June whatever's. You now know you want to be into late June and July and August contracts. So keep an eye open for that. 1697 on IPOE. Go, baby. We're rolling. We're going to roll a lot. Well, definitely kicking myself for not buying 100 this morning. That's for sure. It ain't over. You're not too late. 1685 is going to go a lot higher than this. You have my thumb, says Waffle. What is this green in my portfolio? It must be a glitch. I don't understand it. I was up 100% of my calls last week. I didn't cash, and this dumb hurt. Mad I didn't re-up, but let's go, boys. Lance A is still a buy at this price. My $5 IPOE call is printing money like crazy. Pick a comb, $17 at 100 shares and waiting for the ship. 1696, 1685, 1678. It's rolling. IPO needs to go above 1679 for me to finally be in the green. You're there. You're already there. Hit my average. Hell yes. Making money and taking names. Thanks, Uncle B. Drew saying 1701. Might have touched it. I don't know. Right now, 1683, 1699. I saw a trade. It is going higher. IPO is a hold like GameStop, and we hold. GameStop 160.87 down 14 cents. Remember, today is option expiry day for all contracts that have today's date on it. 1690 on IPOE right now. And so we may see GameStop not do much more from here. We'll see. 18 minutes to go until we close. IPO is a hold. Michael, yeah, I just kind of want to buy more GameStop through 2 decisions. Conduit, the switch, agreed. Conduit, this is the way, dipping and dripping. Bought 100 on the dips in the last few days. I have a total of 400 now. Lance, tough call. Get ready to get richer. 1675 at the moment, as this will now fluctuate up and down and up and down. Get ready for movement, but there's a definite buy wave coming into this stock, no question about it. The word is getting out. 4.2 million traded, and this is Friday afternoon. Wait till over the weekend. Everyone's going to hear about it. And look out Monday morning. Could be a lot of fun on the IPOE here. The market has taught me patience, and it is a priceless lesson. Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, Tom Brady, Uncle Bruce. 1672. Also thinking of playing broker musical chairs again and switching to TD Ameritrade. Where is Colin Dangerously? We need his green hair. Man, do I sell my calls and reopen for Monday, or does IPOE just moon a chat? It could keep going, Alex. Waffle, Diamond Hands, Frankie, 56. New member, Quentin Barker. Welcome, Quentin, to the channel. Welcome to the gang. Nice to have you here. 1653 right now on IPOE, 1664. Jumping about here. Nice to have you joining us as a new member. Fantastic. We have 17 minutes to go before we close. The Dow is up 240 points. S&P up 32. NASDAQ up 122. And IPO is just starting. IPOE is just getting started. This is only the first salvo. This is nothing. Way more coming. 161.16 on GameStop is up now 12 cents on the day. Just talked through IPOE with my 14-year-old and bought her 75 at 1636. Needless to say, she's happy. 1657, 1665 now. Getting ready to go higher. Best bet, welcome. Where's Tony? He's not back in jail again? Welcome, brother. Bought IPOE 2 weeks ago. Got a call option at 17.5 today. Bruce deserves some. Way to go, you guys. TDA, TOS, FTW chart. Jeff, I'm in at 1662. IPOE will dip again. I have seen the future. Welcome, says Drew. Let's see. GameStop is going to have the lowest volume, 2.69 million. We are down to 16 minutes, 161.02 on GameStop, 1658 on IPOE. We're going to keep on this. Hi, Quentin. Welcome, Quentin. New member, Quentin. Welcome, new member. Jesus is here, the savior. Do you think SNL comedians have a problem that Elon Musk is an African American? Things that make you go him? I don't think so. I don't even. I wouldn't read too much into this. If you're actually falling for a narrative that the cast members are all upset, I think you're getting misled. You're just reading too much into this nonsense. I really don't think that's the case. Anyway, Gregory, why do these announcements always seem to happen on a Friday afternoon? Actually, why do these announcements seem to do this? IPOE averages 1620 in one account, 1667 in another in feeling the spring green. Tony's dad had surgery this week. Hope his dad is doing well. Got a stint, didn't he? Got a stent for his heart. Welcome, Quinton from Anna. 1671, 1673 coming on again, another wave. That's what we're going to see. 160.97 on GameStop. AMC is 946, up 46 cents. The Dow up 228, holding most of that gain all day. Quentin, hello. Been watching since December, January. When we went member chat only, I hadn't made much. Quentin, I hope you're going to do all right here. Michael, Sharon Granville, he said they put it in a stingy, but he's doing well. A stent. They put in a stint, and he's doing all right. That's what we heard too. Dan, I knew I should have bought coin yesterday. We got IPOE now at 1678, and it's trading rather nicely today. The IPOE volume right now is showing 4.6 million. About 3 million shares traded in 40 minutes. That's an explosion of stock, explosion of volume. That is not just me. Can't be just my viewers, although I'd be surprised if I had that much power. Just telling you about this. 1675 on your stock. Welcome, Quentin, to the family. Hello, Quentin. Quentin, welcome. Pushing hard for 17. Good evening, nieces and nephews. Will work for shares. God bless. 1675, 1680 on the stock right now. It might actually go through 17 here. 12. We have 13 minutes to go. 12, 13 minutes to go for the end of the day right now. And we're watching this closely. A very active volume here today. Very good. Welcome all to the channel and to this afternoon show. We thought we'd be kind of quiet here this afternoon, but not quiet at all. Quentin, anyone know where I can buy Doge in one of the most restricted states? No idea. Conduit Bruce, can you do me a quick favor, please? To ask Jen what's for dinner. She's out on the porch. Love watching SPACs turn green. Smile, smile, smile. Laughing out loud to Chaz. Good evening. Sorry I'm late. Did someone take a drink for me? Says Colin dangerously. There he is. He's here. Electro recently added Doge. Right now, IPOE 1680 up $1.80 a share, all in the last 20 minutes. It's all happened in the last 20, 30 minutes. With 3 million volume changing hands on IPOE. We got a run going here, and it's looking very, very good. We now have dates are being confirmed regarding the company merging with SoFi. It looks like before the month end we will be done. Looking good. We're watching that, and the street is picking up on it. And we'll probably learn all about it over the weekend and into next week. So the next 2 weeks could be very active for IPOE as it begins to take a run back to where it was just a few weeks ago, about a month or two ago. The shares were as high in the last 3 months at $24, $26. They are breaking out of this range now. 1683 on the stock. Volume of 4.8 million shares. Very, very good. What can I say, says Liz. Nice hair, best bet. Hey, Uncle Bruce, for VAC, VGAC, and IPO, how many shares will be issued in total? Thank you. Don't have the numbers handy. That I'll get later. Oscar says, nice. Use Upturn app to get Doge. Says the high was $16.99. Glenn set the table with green candles for our special guest, IPOE. Quentin says, not my state. Colin, smiling. Bruce is our leader. Colin, dangerously, I got you, brother. Let's go through $17 here. We're now at 1684, 1679, 1684. at the moment. You can buy Doge on Voyager on your phone. Best bet, what can I say? Colin, hi, I think your green hair brought us luck today. Just poured my first glass of Chianti. Thanks, guys. You're the best. I'm about ready to break out of the Tor network and use Bittrex. Colin, just in time, we were missing your green hair. What did I miss? The IPO news. What's happening? I'm new, so you're probably explained this before, but why don't you like crypto? Can't. I'm too old. I'm old school. I'm worried about government interference. I'm worried about taxation issues. I'm worried about the unwritten rules. I'm worried about the unregulated everything. I'm worried about it becoming regulated. Sorry, it's just I'm just not into it. IPOE 1673 and GameStop 116.91. Finally, some green. Bill Gates seems to be friendly with Citadel. I sold my Doge for ETC. The Chaz, someone mentioned the ticker may change from IPOE to SoFi on the 28th of May. Thanks for the heads up, Toki Dong. Mark Blue Skies Voyager seems some Reddit friends have had success. The dozen arms read article from Bank of England CEO earlier today, and you will know why. Bruce, don't read this too fast. I haven't even seen the rules to this game, but I can guess. Laugh out loud. What can I say? RSI is set to pop on GameStop. IPOE 1673 and GameStop 161.01. That was up 243. We have 9 minutes to go. Those concerns are real, and they started talking about those things in the hearings. Afternoon bagelers, Conduit and the Switch GME gonna go to the moon. Thanks, Bruce. Makes sense. I'm a millennial, and I'm loving it. Conduit and Switch sometime when the shorts have to cover. That's right. Stay away from ETC. Set exit strategy. Hey, Bruce. Ashley, how you doing? Waffle, is that caffeine-free Diet Coke in your cup? Yes, it is. Those forks already been 51% attacked already. Take swill from all the shills. Why don't you like OTC stocks, Bruce? My biggest investment is a weed stock that's OTC. Conduit, everything looking tight, looking good. Any Voyager referral codes? I think the pace today was a little too. I'm not sure what's going on here. DraftKings makes money, and the first quarter stock goes down. What's up, Bruce? What are you getting for Mother's Day? Husbands don't have to buy anything for wives on Mother's Day. It's the children that buy gifts for on Mother's Day. Husbands are not supposed to have to buy gifts for anything, and wives don't have to buy husbands. They really don't have to. It's usually the children. Isn't that usually the way it works? But we'll figure something out. 1666, 1665 on social. I'm not going to tell you guys. You think I'm going to spill the beans here on the air? What am I on my mind? Crazy. What can I say? Why don't I like over-the-counter stocks? It's just the loosey-goosiness of them. I'd rather they're exchange traded. I'd rather have exchange traded rules in place. Too much experience with over-the-counter markets. What up, Bruce? What are you getting, Jen? Tyler Meyer, new member. Hi, Tyler. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the gang here. Nice to have you join us. I think maybe you might be my 8th or 9th member of the day. This is great. No, Bruce. It says Bizel, make her a bagel. No way, Michael. Yeah, okay. So what are you buying for Jen on behalf of Jen Jr.? Aaron, the Chaz is going to sleep on the couch for Mother's Day by the sound of it. Oh, Bruce, I think you're mistaken there. Laugh a lot. A good rationale, Bruce. Nice try. Thomas, hang on. I got to record this thing. I got to record this thing about husbands not having to buy gifts for wives on Mother's Day. I gotta record this. This is great. This is a huge thing. Husbands don't have to buy wives gifts on Mother's Days because it's not their mother. I have to buy a gift for my mother. That's what I would normally have to do. You have to buy a gift for your mother. You don't buy a gift for your wife because it's Mother's Day. She's not my mother. It's my wife. For Wife's Day, maybe, but not for Mother's Day. It's for the kid. The kids have to. Isn't that the way it goes? Bruce. Hello, everybody. I'm listening to Bruce at twice the speed. Stupid work to catch up. So doing 2 times the shots as well. Oh, I'm now seeing 3, Bruce. IPOE 1659, 1666. We have 6 minutes to go in the day. Quentin Barker, are you on Discord? Tell my wife that. We like you a lot, Tyler. Welcome, Tyler. Derek Johnson laughing aloud. Bruce. You still need to give something to Jen or bring your child into the world. I mean, you got to do something. Tim, Bruce, here's a donation for you. Hi, Bruce. Can you congratulate my friend Roger with his birthday? You make his day. Roger, congratulations on your birthday, buddy. Way to go, pal. Happy birthday to you. 1674 in IPOE. Did you get some? It's going up. Buy Jen a quality Mother's Day sock puppet. What do you buy the mother of all short squeezes on Mother's Day? That's my excuse too, says Evan. I don't have to buy anything for my wife. She's not my mom. RSI dropping on IPOE multi time frames, hopefully consolidate, then gap up again for everybody. We're down to 4 minutes, and we got IPOE at 1660, 1670. Bruce is no mother. Second rule in the Fight Club, buy Jen a gift on Mother's Day. Hey, Uncle Bruce, question. I'm not being rude here, but you're retired. How does it feel to work full-time again? I've been doing YouTube since August 2017. It's coming up to almost 4 years, 12 hours a day, 6-7 days a week. 2 channels, rocking and rolling here, working hard and just having so much fun. It's so much fun. Derek, Michael, how do I tell the wife I put her presence into stocks? Sup, Tyler, says Colin. Hi there, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler, for joining us. Rennie, for now, comments, don't believe everything you hear. Bruce, does OTC trades get counted in regular volume, or is it in addition to regular volume? I don't know. Welcome, Tyler. Welcome to the fan. I think over-the-counter trades don't count on the market. They won't reflect on the market. I doubt it. Jeff, in IPOE July 1750 call at 1.6. Derek Johnson, just make cha-ching sounds. Quentin Parker, I got Voyager referral code for you. Keep digging. Let's go. 1659 on IPOE. GameStop 116.96. Third rule of the Fight Club, buy her a Tesla. Ace is a new member of this channel. Hey, welcome, Ace. How you doing? There's Tyler. Bruce, she makes you bagels every day. You got to do something, your mom or the mother of your children. Otherwise, you better have a good catch. Thomas, a young marriage, I've not loud. Is this the way? Welcome, Ace. For the record, I've already bought a Father's Day present for Kevin. Oh, my gosh. Welcome to the family. Ace, do I have to buy my daughter something because she's a mother now? I told my wife no. Welcome, Ace. Derek, biggest news released today. Husbands don't have to support Mother's Day. This should headline everywhere. Welcome from Drew. Mary, Tyler Meyer. Hey, Bruce, I've been following your channel for a while now. Awesome to see you. So genuinely thrilled about your fan base. Happy birthday, Roger. The chat. Sorry, Bruce, I put you on the doghouse. You're now going to buy Jen that diamond-studded GameStop bracelet. Oh, man. I was thinking of taking her to Tim Hortons, getting her a donut and a coffee. Decaf, the kind she likes. I love to splurge. IPOE 1658. We are down to 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. Coming into the end of the day, GameStop 160.80 down 21 cents. Looks like all GameStop contracts 160 or lower are in the money. IPOE 1654.57, and very good volume on IPOE today. 5.3 million traded. There is volume there. This kind of volume keeps coming in. This stock is going to $25 a share and higher. It's going to go. Look out. 1659. Hey, Ace. Hey, Tyler. Like Ace is in a renewal. Half drink. Laughing a lot. Best laughing. This is the calm before the storm, hoping these $100 donations don't start flying again. Bruce can whisper that into the camera, asking for a friend. Bought IPO at $15 today. Woohoo! Bruce, are you the mayor of Creston yet? No, thank you. Was smiling. Oh, there's Ace. Sup, Ace. 1 month subscriber, best subscription ever. Thanks, Uncle B. Thank you, Len Hernandez. I really appreciate you being here. Rennie for now. Hey, Rennie. J. Ray, see ya. Tyler, Ace, welcome, Ace. Robert Benson, congrats. Let's see here. So if 83% of trades are done at ATS, that explains the low volume. Welcome, Ace. Welcome to new members. We love you. American would do that. Red, don't look at meme hideous. Hi, Ace. It's my brother's name. Hey, Uncle Bruce, when you get your new chair, promise me that you won't wear a necktie. Oh, my gosh. Doge is going to make me some money. Welcome all the new folks. The Chaz laughing. You know what, off Tony Heard, you think Bruce, do something from my heart, or just buy a couch, buy a nice couch. Do something from the heart, or buy a couch. All I want for Father's Day is to play golf on Mother's Day. I think it's going to be Dodge Day, or repeat, and just crash. We're into the last minute of the day. IPOE 1653 right now. GameStop 161.06. And the Dow is coming into the last couple of minutes. The Dow is up 231 points, up 35 seconds to go. The S&P is up 30, NASDAQ up 123. The last seconds are coming through right now. The bells are starting to ring in New York. 161.01 on GameStop. IPOE 1650 up $1.50. Nice day today, everybody. And I think it's the beginning of a run that we're going to really enjoy come Monday morning. Should be a lot of fun with IPOE and GameStop. There's the bell. There it is. GameStop final trade, 161.08. Maybe IPOE 1650 on 5.4 million shares as we are closing the day out here on the markets. 231 gain on the Dow, make it 240. S&P up 32, NASDAQ up 122. GameStop 161.08 last trade, 161.28 aftermarket. IPOE 1650 last trade, 1651 in the aftermarket right at this moment in time. That is what's happening here on the markets. Those are the two stocks that we've been watching a lot today. AMC closed at 951, up 51 cents. Other than that, we don't have much happening in our smaller stocks. Vanek was up 339, Home Depot up $1.87. We have IBM down $1.34 with a late day slump. Dow up 227, Microsoft up 273, Apple up 69 cents, Tesla up 883, and that's where we're at here, watching the final trades, and now the trades in the aftermarket. 161.18 up a dime on GameStop. The aftermarket for IPOE is 1651, up 2 cents so far. There you have it. Going to be a most interesting market coming up on IPOE this week, and of course, obviously on GameStop as always. Should we all, Mike, to see if Bruce slips up? This could be like Australian Dickens cider all over again. Conduit, no. We are buying a damn ship for a group cruise. It's final. 2 donuts for Jen on Mother's Day. Derek, this may just have been a live stream of Bruce after giftless Mother's Day. Michael, Carlos, he slipped on my name once in a few months' time. Oasis Kid, Creston, 6107 on GameStop. Thanks, gang. I'm back, says Ace. Welcome back, buddy. Best bet, Tim Bits ain't gonna cut it. Alex, please pump AH so I don't regret holding. Liz, when is your birthday, Bruce? September. Look, Punchy Toe is back. Red Ginger Snaps. J Ray, welcome one, everybody. Do you think that Bruce Coin would do well? I'm following your rule on no presents for my wife on Mother's Day. I don't think husbands have to buy presents for wives. I don't think that's why do we have to buy a gift for our wives on Mother's Day? It's the kids that are supposed to buy gifts for their mother. You buy a gift for your mother. My wife isn't my mother. I don't understand. On Mother's Day, I'm already feeling better in my wallet. I'll see you first thing Monday from the doghouse, I'm sure. I think Bruce Coin would seem a little meme coinish, but Bagel Coin has legs. 161 on the aftermarket, 1652 on the IPOE aftermarket. Oh my, 1 ringy dingy. Hit the fireworks, 2 ringy dingies. Oh man. Bagel Coin, and it gets mined each time Bruce eats a bagel. Green Day, so glad I made it home for the last hour show. Cheers! I almost sold my IPO today for even. Oh my God, thank God he didn't. Did GameStop actually close positive? It closed up 7 cents, and it's now 41 in the aftermarket. Drew, but tomorrow will be sideways. Tomorrow's Saturday, so yeah. Cheers, apes. We are 1 day closer. That's right. Gotta go. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. You take care, Oscar Voss. Take care if you dare. Colin, is that allowed? Cheers to those who have to leave. Colin, yep, by pennies. Shoot, misplaced my beer. I don't think so. Jack Bauer, my best way to look at it. Preach. Stop, Bruce. Just stop. Stop. Keep telling yourself that, Bruce. Thanks, Bruce, for bringing the world of stocks to all of those who are novices. Bruce better have a nice couch. That kind of talking will get you in trouble where I'm from. New rule: drink when Bruce keeps digging. It's for thanking her for being the mother of your children. So I have to give her a birthday present. I have to give her a Valentine's present. I have to give her Christmas presents. I have to give her Halloween stuff. I have to give her Mother's Day stuff. What do I get? I don't get it. I'm really wondering about that. Ginger snaps, and not only do it look good, I love eating them around Christmas time. Bruce, buy a couch. I would FM buy so much bagel coin. Colin, you're looking good and green. Everybody's having fun. Hey, Uncle Bruce, in the old movies, the husband always called his wife mother. I'm confused. Okay, forgot about the Mother Day thing. I'm over it. I'm going to trend Bruce coin. Bruce is single-handedly sending thousands of husbands to the doghouse this weekend. Woof. Tomorrow, Saturday, that's a joke. Puts on any marriage that can't take a joke. Sheesh. Yeah, tomorrow will really be sideways. Bruce is going to doghouse for sure. 7 cents closer to the moon. Uncle Bruce is wrong to assume that other SPACs would have a run because of how the market reacted and confirmed IPOE SoFi merge. Is it wrong to assume that other SPACs could have a run because of how the market reacted to the first one? Look, you see a deal like this come together and you see what happens. This gives you an idea of what you should get ready to expect when your SPAC announces definitive dates. This is what I'm talking about. It's brutal, it's sudden, it's violent, it's fast. And if you want to, dilly-dally before you buy your stock, you could miss out. This was at $14.99 all day, $15 all day, and now $16.20, $16.30. What can I say? Now, I'm not saying it's going to go straight up from here. It could very much fluctuate by the dollar going forward, of course, but it's possible. It's just possible that the low trade today at 1487 might be the last time you've seen it at that price ever again. I don't know. This is so fun, Frankie is saying. Glenn, yep, I got my drink ready, still nothing. I usually give my ex an I'm sorry present on Mother's Day. Quentin Barker, buy some BTT, the next Doge. Wolf was laughing out loud. No. I made beer, bread, bagels for today. Yes, and yes, laughing out loud. Anniversary present, drink laughing out. Just logged on and saw we weren't buying Mother's Day's gifts, from what I understand. I'll just tell my wife that's what Uncle Bruce said. Reg is a Colin. He's doubling down with the absolute legend. Yes, Bruce, she treats you like King Kong. You got to make her queen. I'm offering her some donuts. What more does she want? She can watch these later, bro. Just wait till Hallmark makes up more holidays. Just wait. Anyone going to tell Bruce he forgot the anniversary? Ready for now? Yes, you do. You get specialty bagels every day. I don't get Mother's Day presents either. Laugh all done. My kids, 5, she spends her days throwing shot on the floor and making me clean up after her. John Van, you crack me up. When I was allowed to drink, my dog, it was a really nice house just for such occasions. Michael, SPAC is basically like an IPO, but at insider prices. There you go. For Mother's Day, Uncle Bruce is going to show up to bed wearing nothing but a well-placed bagel. Wives should likewise appreciate their husbands. I can't imagine not doing so. Sharon, speaking of Nancy Pelosi, her son Paul is involved with an International Media Acquisition Corp SPAC for about $200 million. Red Ginger Snaps, oh my God. Carlos, I have always told my wife that she isn't my mother. Sorry, but the mother of my children thing doesn't fly. I only helped out when the kids were too small, but now they're on their own. Please show the IPOE chart. It's cheering me up. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at IPOE today. Here's your day chart on IPOE. Here you go. You know what this chart's called? It's called zzz. Look at that. How about that little move at the end of the day in the last hour? You got to love that one. That's pretty good. Thank you very much, IPOE. We like it. We like it a lot. Fantastic. Do you have any thoughts, estimations about what Gore Holdings could possibly be worth in the nearest future? More, much more is what it's going to be worth. John, okay, thanks, IPOE. I wasn't ready for you, so I slid you and bought more GameStop. Derek, Carlos M, get over here, Bagel Man. Sold, says John. Evan, this is what happens when news comes out, unless it's GameStop. I spent $100 on flowers on my wife. I totally doing it wrong. You're doing it completely wrong. Good that I have $26 BTT since January. A lot of guys here are going to be spending Sunday night on the couch. What did the mummy spider say to the baby spider? You spend too much time on the web. Oh, no. Laugh out loud, Bruce. The correct answer is, why do I need Mother's Day? I treat her like a queen 365 days a year. You see, there you go. Hey, Rennie, for now, right, I got to treat her like a queen because she treats him like a king. Waffle Raptor, my girlfriend said she's not mad. I think I'm good. I hope she can't hear you from the hammock. Better take a cover for a beating. Any KW Oktoberfest stories? Maybe. Uncle Bruce is going to be in the Netflix documentary, and Auntie Jen is going to have her own Lifetime special. Sharon Granville, speaking of Nancy Pelosi, now I have to bleach my brain again. Thanks a lot. Rabbit, dear Mom, your RedBubble mug is in the mail. There you go. Eddie, Red Ginger, Frankie, Larry, that IPO candle is erect. A chart, finally a sip. I bought my mother a share of GameStop. Puts on Mother's Day. Rabbit, and that laugh, nice man. Uncle Bruce, I'm worried about the fallout from the Mother's Day gift gate may result in some GameStop sell-off to counter the incoming increase in alimony. Maybe we should rethink this. Visceral Records, ending the day with a green portfolio has got to be a shot. I mean, libation, right? Got to have a libation. NSB. Hey, Uncle Bruce, have you ever talked about MNMD Mind Band on this channel? If so, what are your thoughts? Never talked about it. Don't know anything about it. Don't know who they are. I got nothing. Exactly, Aaron. My wife's boyfriend chipping it. Aaron's enough said. Yes, Visceral. Yes. Said Michael. What can I say? We are now on the aftermarket here. IPOE is 1635 on the aftermarket. And that's where we're at right now. Watching to see if it does anything from here. What can I say? Oh, too much fun. Oh, gosh. Oh, man. Thomas, thumbs ups. Derek Johnson set up my mom in a Fidelity account. Bought her one share of GameStop and a couple of IPOE in green already. See, she's already up in the money. She's already cashing in big time. Happy Mother's Day. There you go right there. Absolutely fantastic. 1635 on IPOE. GameStop 161.12. Jonathan and Stephanie, my Costco had a raspberry white chocolate cake for Mother's Day, so I bought one, not because Mother's Day, but because it's cake. Tobias says, sip a drink, says John Ben. Red Ginger Snaps, that's a nice Mother's Day gift. Absolutely. Buy a cake. Absolutely right. Resident Fleet, hey, Uncle Bruce, if Jen hints about Mother's Day, just respond like this. I see nothing. I hear nothing. I know nothing. There you go. You see, Bruce, I will be here for the evening show. What's it called again? Let's see. It's this no gifts for wife on Mother's Day rule that's going to be the first that shoots Uncle Bruce to the moon. Jen's boot is probably as hard as diamonds. Hi, Jen. How you doing?
Hi.
So we're just talking about Mother's Day, and we're talking about all the different things people.
You can't do it.
That was easy.
You can't do it. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers from Jen to
Thanks,
you.
Steelers.
There's her Steelers mug. See, we were just talking, Jen, about Mother's Day.
Mhm.
And people say, well, what are you going to get Jen for Mother's Day? And I said, what am I going to get Jen for Mother's Day? I don't have to buy anything for Jen on Mother's Day.
She's not my mother.
She's not my mother. The kids have to buy stuff for Mother's Day. And you have so many people out there that view you as your mother. The gifts will be pouring in from all over the place. No, I have to buy my mother something for Mother's Day, or you have to buy your mother something for Mother's Day, or people have to buy their mother's husbands don't have to buy wives anything. But apparently my viewers are going, oh no, you're in big trouble, big fella. You're going to end up in the doghouse here. And so Barry Jam is saying it's this no gifts for wife on Mother's Day rule that's going to be the first that shoots Uncle Bruce to the moon. Jen's boot is probably as hard as diamonds. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm having fun. Everyone's having fun with this.
Shiny tear in your eye.
I know, I'm laughing so hard. Is the dude from Texas here today? I don't know, Sharon. Mother, bumpy cake, yum, waffles are pretty good, right? M to the moon, hopefully after the first test trial's done this month. Okay, Kettle Hansen, beer time. Lance, laughing. This new strain called Waffle Cone. Berry Jam, I'm laughing. Jurassic Park waffles. I bought 10 more IPOE on the dip, and I'm holding. Laugh out loud, Barry. Laugh out loud. I'm busted. Oh, Jen in the house. Laughing out loud. Busted. Drink. That was easy. Bruce, you are going to short. Are you going short on Mother's Day? I thought you were here for women investors. Yeah. See, see, there's another reason I have to buy. I have to buy presents because of female investors. Where does this come from? I don't understand it. Oh, it's not easy being me. Barry Jam laughing. I'll request some thumbs to make up for the mess I put you in, Uncle Bruce. Laughing out loud. Laughing out loud. Oh, yeah. Cheers. Busted. He lost it again. Tell her what you said. Welcome back, Jen. Take cover. Oh, my God. Got to drink a lot now. Classic. Mushrooms will cure everything. Rattler snake in the house. Cheers, Jen. I love this channel so much. Says Alex. Well, you see, Jen, says Merkin. Get him, Jen. Get him. Drink, people. Cheers. Laughing out loud, says Drew. Anna B. Very nice timing, Bruce. Post your comment, and Jen comes inside. Oh, man. Incoming kaboom. Laughing out loud, Jose says. Best bet says get her a mug. Dober Mama, Jen, I hear you have diamond boots. Texas is in the house. Texas is here and is smiling and laughing. Free Thinker McJones. It's my family tradition to make my mother a big breakfast in bed. When I was a kid, I've continued it with my children for their mother. Steve Rush, you could always get Jen a nice chair that you just happen to also use for your show. And Soren saying, hit him, Jen, hit him. I heard Jen opened a beer. Skull. Yeah, he's crying and I'm dying over here. Cheers. Jose, lots of green donuts. Oh my God, not against us, Tobias. KN, I'm going to be out of libations in 5 minutes. Drew, Sparks, lighter. Conduit. Okay, Jen gets the Tesla. Now I'm shipping. You can watch her drive it. Soren, Skull, IPOE is up. It is indeed IPOE at 1640 on the aftermarket right now. Up $1. I was up $1.50 on the open market today. Up 151 to close at 1651. What a big run in the last 30 minutes. All right. Best bet is laughing out loud. Anna B. Cheers, Jen. What's the over the under on Uncle Bruce with a black eye on Monday, by the way? Texas. Yes, I'm here. Laughing out loud. Best bet. I'm laughing. Kettle is Skal Soren. Beer, best kind of laughing makes your eyes water. Waffle Raptor, are you still sober? How can you be mad? I got you 2 donuts. Exactly. I'm going to get her donuts at Timmy's. If she wants, she can have Timbits. I mean, talk about a Mother's Day treat. I mean, come on. Alex, you guys' relationship is so genuine. I almost cry. Rabbit, cheers. Damn it, Jim. Tony giving Bruce bad advice. Damn it, Jim. Damn it, Tony. Rabbit, cheers. Serbic, Esberic. I pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce this name. SB, take an extra warm blanket to the doghouse tonight, Bruce. Can't you getting sick on us? Merkin is laughing out loud. Best bet. I know a guy in BC that can build you a doghouse. Aaron, Bruce, buy her a bagel mug. Win-win right there. Waffle, not yet. Sharon Gravel starts tomorrow. Sharon, sorry, Jen. I tried to convince him. John Van, Texas, you made it. Jonathan and Stephanie. No, you have to give Jen a dividend for holding on to you. Aaron, that was easy. Let's see. Sharon, Waffle Raptor. I've got in the money calls for 5.9 on Mum. Reddit, there it is. Frankie, it sounded like she agrees with you. Merkin, oh my God, Colin, those are gonna print. Tobias, Texas, I smell money. Austin, I'd buy your space supplies quickly. Texas, $5 donation. Insert SpongeBob meme. You want to see me do it again. J. Ray, happy Mother's Day, Jen. You're the best. Sharon, Granville, hi there, Texas. Dan Hammer, if Jen keeps beating on Bruce, he's going to need a helmet. Drew, I do, Texas. Free thinker laughing my know it off, Texas. Aaron, Bruce, your show is some of the most fun I have had this year, right here, hanging at your show. Thanks, Jen, and thank you too. KN, cheers. Rabbit, Texas, that's all you got? Lisa, I need a drink, but it's not 5 here yet. Who's at the magical 5 p.m. hour? I'm teleporting. It's only 1:19 here, and Jen's already got the beer out. It barely turned this afternoon. Red ginger snaps. Texas, do it. Texas is laughing. Tobias, what shall we buy, Bruce, this Friday? Rabbit, sips are getting more frequent. Rabbit, I'm rolling to join. I'm rolling to join. Have a happy Mother's Day, Jen from Rennie. IPOE is now at 1666. Let's take a look at the aftermarket. 1655. Right here, it's jumping around. Lisa B, it's 5 p.m. somewhere in the world. Drew, let's buy Jen something for Mother's Day. Couples therapy works, says Dr. Vetter. Damn it, Jim, enough libations and the doghouse feels just like home. Texas, hello to all y'all. Aaron pulling drink. Ace, Gregory Allen, you have one hell of a brother. I'm sure as heck as handsome and humble as you truly here. $16.73 on IPOE. The high during the day was $16.99 according to the trading of the day. All right, $16.73 in the aftermarket. Bizzo, if you put enough of those phone amplifiers together, you might have enough shelter for the night. Uncle Bruce, Elisa B, Sharon laughing out loud. Anna, I'm power washing walls to prep for painting. Good thing I haven't started painting yet because things would be a total mess because I'm laughing so hard. Fantastic. Oh my God, so late this afternoon. I missed the market close of Sally Mander. SB, a $5 donation. Bruce, S Bear E sick. S Bear A sick. Esperasic. S Bear A sick. SB for short. Gregory, Bruce is Jen's dividend conduit. So I think you're buying Jen a sweet gift now. Love you, Jen. Mother of all bump pie, please don't take relationship advice from people that eat crayons. KN, just like GameStop, a storm is brewing inside Jen. Bruce, wait, I'm Jen's dividend gem, always have been. 1675 on the IPOE. They don't seem to want to get away from $160 on that GameStop. Aaron, Lisa B, it's here, 119 in Arizona. It's 5 somewhere. 119. John Van, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Sally Mander, it's happy hour somewhere. Get into it. Sharon Grayville, Colin Dangerously. Some women wish they could grow and shrink their bust as easy as you grow and shrink your hair. Oh my gosh. Best bet, hit the fireworks. Surat, come to Denmark and we drink all day. Mark Blue Skies, do you still feel good about VGAC? Yes, I do. Waffle, is an Amazon gift card a good Mother's Day gift, Jen? SLG says it's 5 o'clock in Bermuda. Bermuda's my favorite place in the world. Good enough for me. Jen doesn't mind gift certificates from Amazon. She doesn't mind gift certificates from Amazon or from Costco or from Michael's. Yeah, Lisa, cheers. Eddie, here at 22 p.m. You are late already. Haha, best bet. It's 4:20. Colin, Sharon, I understand. Lisa, yeah, that works. Doubled my IPOE to 600, says William Rogers. Looking forward to some more entertainment in May. Fantastic. Where are we here? Colin, I wish I could actually grow it all. Aaron, Bruce, part of the drinking game was to drink whenever you say that was easy. So I'm making you saying it to get everyone drunk. That was easy. In Germany, 22:20, good time for a beer. Dan Hammer, I'm just thinking of a chit to make it Jen laugh. Max, let's get this started with a few Black Russians on the rocks. IPOE 1675, 1688 now. I'm dying, says SB. William, time check. You cool? Best bet, buy her a beer. Conduit, I do eat crayons. So what do you got to go there? Why you got to go there, bro? Taking advice from crayon eaters is how I make all my decisions. Rabbit, so cool. Birdie, Uncle Bruce and Bagel family, have a great weekend. I'm about to drink until I pass out. K-Tail Hansen is 2222. William Rogers, the word. Texas has come through. Texas putting up a $100 donation. I see no other donations but mine. He says Texas has made a $100 donation to this channel. Thank you so much. Matches the shirt perfectly. You got to love it. That red bar goes right across when he makes a $100 donation.
For clarity, I decided not to go with the Radler. I went with a nice red ale out of Vancouver. It's lovely.
She's decided to go with the nice red ale out of Vancouver instead of the Radler.
Yes.
What's it called?
This one is called Ruby Tears.
Ruby Tears is the name of the beer. Who knew? Max Carey, good one. Oh, here we go, says Sal. Drew says, cheers, buy and hold. Boom. J. Ray, oh, snap. Texas is laughing. SB, Texas, you are a beast. Red Ginger snaps. Oh, damn. Best bet. Texas is in the house. Texas, go big or go home. Sal, Texas, thumbs ups. Jake F, I'm lying on my couch right now watching on my TV. This is a riot. Buy and hold. Texas is the boss. Tobias, fresh drink. Roberto, going to bed. Bruce, back later here, back in Italy. Great. Another great show tonight. Have a good night. Thank you, buddy. Sean Ryan, everything is bigger in Texas. Brent Hips, 114 IPOE calls, making me real happy this afternoon. Time for a celebratory break. 114 calls. Way to go. Texas, you are amazing. Bruce, thanks for putting up with us. Gregory, ace, laugh out loud. He is. All aces are ace. I also loaded up on IPOE. Bright Future says DE. Drew, Texas is the way. Aaron, I did it again. Larry, Texas. Oh, way to go, Texas. Way to go. What do we got here? Hang on. Here we go. Colin dangerously. My hubster has the same problem as you, or is it my husband? More thumbs for Bruce. 1693 on IPOE. Cheers. Laughing a lot, Walter Raptor. I'm taking a dab of live resin for the donation. I'm not bald. I'm not a bald spot. It's a solar panel for a sex machine. That's what that is. It's not a bald spot. Going to get some beer, says Free Thinker of Dave. Katie, fun last hour, Bruce. Have a nice weekend. Do you buy her a card? Do you buy her a card at least? A card? You know, those just get thrown in the garbage, you know? It's a waste of money. But based on DD, I'm going long on rum. Bizzle, Texas is in the house. Soren, I come to Denmark and drink beer with you. Then I get 5 beer for the price of 1, Soren T. IPOE, 1689, 1690 on the aftermarket right now. Volume of only 23,000 shares. Congrats, Brett. KN, $4.99 donation. Thank you, KN. Texas doing my best for now. I'm doing the best. Conduit, why? Loads of bowl. Red ale equals yum. Way to go, Texas. Nice. This money goes to Mother's Day present. See, Bruce, Texas bought Jen the Mother's Day gift. You must get her. See? Yay, Jen's at it. Uncle Bruce, ask her to come to the chat, into the chat. Sits to your left, KN. Oh, a lovely Vancouver red ale. Jen is classy. East Hastings Brew. Wait, don't go. Why don't you sit down, have a fine glass of champagne, Christopher Walken? The Continental. Another edition of the Continental. That's right. Awesome stuff. The Continental. Ace, Gregory, Allen, do you see? I knew it was fun part here for all those initials. There's the Ruby Tears.
Parallel 49 out of Vancouver.
There it is. That's the beer right there. Radler, I hardly knew her. Ruby Tears equals Parallel 49 Brewing. Colin knew it. Max, let's go, Bruce. So drunk he won't know the difference between a stock and a rock. Ruby Tears pretending she said hedge fund tears. IPOE pushing $17. IPOE $17. IPO hitting $17. Jaspel, thank you, Jaspel, for the $99.99 donation. I'm here, says Jaspel. I'm here. Don't forget about me. I'm here. Thank you so much for these donations, you guys, making my Fridays come great. $16.95 on the social, on the IPOE right now. $16.96 on 63,000, pushing $17. Gregory Allen, 17. Ruby Tears sounds like my portfolio. Guess what? Stella just arrived. She bought her friends with her. Lance, damn it. Shark, laughing out loud. You got to finish your drinks. There we go. Nice, Jaspel, laughing out loud. Best bet. Can I get 101? Jaspel, Mango stepping up. Jaspel in the house, running out of ice, says best bet. Oh no, IPO is down. It's going down quick. Everyone blowing the chart. Pump it back up. 1710 just went through 17. Nice, Jaspel. Frankie's loving it. Conduit, a solar power for a sex machine. I'm using that. Jaspel, you're a penny short for making us finish our drinks. But I gotta say,
That was was easy.
That was easy. Thank you, everybody. Sharon, where's my comments here? Oh, my gosh. Sharon, Colin, that line sounds like something my hubby would say. Alex, I gave my girlfriend the same card every anniversary, laugh out loud. I just take it off the shelf and I give it back to her. Resident Fleet, why doesn't that work when I do it with GameStop? Aaron, this conduit, the Switch, I am having Gorilla Glue. I got an ounce last week, legal in Arizona. Ricardo has joined us as a brand new member. Ricardo, thank you for joining us as a new member. It's nice to have you here. Ashley, $100 donation has just come in. Bruce is in red trouble ahead. 1712 on IPOE. It's going higher. Thank you so much, Ashley, for this donation. All of you making these donations today, you are absolutely awesome. You're absolutely wonderful. I thank you so much. Thank you for Alexander Norris for your donation on PayPal. I just saw that coming in. Thank you very much. All of you, thank you making donations on PayPal as well. That's off the channel here. I appreciate that. Back to here. Has Jen ever had Spruce Tip beer? I had it in Skagway, Alaska, and it was awesome, says Sharon. Ask Sharon. Eddie R. Daily love and care is the best give. Love story OST in the background, laughing out loud. SB, welcome, Ricardo. American Aaron Pauling got some Granddaddy Purple Distillate. Soren T. Keitel Hansen, once we moon, we could be a local brew. We could buy a local brewery here. Cool can, says Eddie R. Merkin, we have to blow together. We have to blow together. 1717 on the stock on the aftermarket. William Rogers, boom! A shameless plug, says best bet. Ashley Parcells, woot, Ashley making it rain. Sal, Ashley Parcells, high fives. Sean Ryan, 101 going once. Jay Ray and Ashley coming around the bend. John Van, gosh dang, FOMO, fear of missing out, sold that IPOE for more GameStop. I suck at this. Best bet drink. Ashley, well played, madam, well played. Texas, Ashley Parcells. Keitel, yes, Soren. Merklin, I'm always down. Aaron, Merklin, I'm a flour guy. The distillate's too much for me. Edible oils, I can do though. What do we got? Ashley smiling. Alex, Dap time 1722 now. We're going higher. Sean Ryan, 101 going twice. Specular TV, Bruce should be around 90 Fridays away from stock markets with Bruce out of a Tesla video. Aaron, residential flea, laughing my butt off. Best bet, don't you think these libations gone out of hand? David, leftover margarita mix for Cinco de Drinko. Cheers, Soren T. John Van, the main man, don't worry about it. I have been a rookie until early this year and threw away tons of cash being impatient. Stay calm, cool, collected. That works. Lord Thunder and Jesus says best bet. Best bet, this is nothing. Cute doggy. Aaron, Bruce, that was easy. I'm responsible for 3 drinks for that was easy. Read this, and that's 5. That there you go. KN, dang it, Bruce, drink. I have had enough. Sharon, my taste must be so different than everyone else. My favorite movies are Fiddler on the Roof, even though I do not like musicals, The Christmas Story, and Coneheads. Alex, laugh a lot. She's watching, probably laughing as you read that. J. Ray, oh, there's Ricardo. Buy and hold. Oh, my. Conduit. I was just quoting Uncle Bruce. I'm cool with glue, though, I guess. Aaron, Bruce, now you have no excuse not to get Jen a Mother's Day gift. You see, now we can easily afford a big box of Timbits. This is going to be great. Aaron, Pauling, blow. Best bet, I'm feeling tipsy. John Van, I hope Doge hits that $1 mark. Buy and hold is smiling. Sharon, wow. Ashley, Tobias, damn, I should have bought more IPOE, but already have so much in the other SPACs. Ashley, bring it. We love you, Bruce and Jen, says Ashley. Thank you so much, Ashley. Sal, Uncle Bruce, ugh, I just spilled a full G&T on my thankfully waterproof floor. Drew, GDP is one of my fave strains. Alex, John Van, I'll be upset because I got out, but I hope it does for everyone else. Video Vandal, Bruce is loving the drunken Friday night donations. Gregory, I've just wet myself. Oh no, Gregory, no. John Van, that's what she said. Don Hammer, Jesus, a bunch of drinkers and smokers in here. Haha, laughing my, you know what off, says Lance. Red Ginger Snaps is smiling. Best bet. All my execs live in Texas. All my exes live in Texas. Dan Hammer, Jeff, Radler is a great beer for some hot summer day. Alex Wayworth, Haha, I love watching Bruce read a drug talk. Carlos, what do you want to do with your life? I want to rock. Sharon, Shelly Mander, such a waste of gin. Anna B, okay. Got to start paying attention to what I'm doing here. Have a great weekend, folks. Happy Mother's Day. And I hope no one has to spend too much time in the doghouse. KN, Dan, check and check. Best bet, Larry, is that you, says Ren Ginger Snap. Resident Flea, see you guys. Blowing works. Love you. Hey, SB, best channel on the interwebs. Best channel. We need a Tesla emoji. Anyone want to try this? I'm not going there. Anna B, welcome, Ricardo. Tequila makes my clothes fall off. By the way, GameStop average is under 180 now. Best bet, Joy Friday, no market all weekend, and R&R, good way to start it off. Buy and hold. Uncle Bruce can start a new drinking channel. As Sharon, no, the libations have not gone nearly far enough. How am I going to make dinner now? Drew, Lance, yes, IPOE is now 17.25. All right on 17.16 here. Why do we always ruin it for ourselves? IPOE at 17 after cheering, then sinking feeling. Why didn't I buy more? Lance, let's go to the loony bin together. Lance is jealous. Colin, think about how many donuts you can buy now. Think about that. What's the stonk price on Uncle Bruce? Anyone seen a chart? Looking for a good entry point. Thank you, JJ Gunn. Let's see. Comments. Alex, Lance, send here. I'll share my trees I just harvested.
That was easy.
Sharon, I am 43. Been watching The Christmas Story every year since I was a child. I love it. Colin, jelly donuts. The Savior, about to have my organic mojo. Uncle Bruce rocks like a star. Kayla, I decided to buy another 100 shares of IPOE this morning at 15. So glad I did. Best bet, Tabernac. Ace, Mojitos. Darn, I miss Miami big time. Best bet, laughing out loud. Conduit. I love Ashley, Bruce, and Jen. Let's set up a party. Diane Hammer, we are apes. What I expect. Sharon, I just spilled a large can of beer into my big mouth. Cheers, everybody. Alex, Sal, Uncle Bruce, observe thyself was on the road listening. Give her a shout out. Shout out to you. Ace, best bet. Geez, that was rude, man. Red Ginger Snaps. Bruce, you need to have some adult juice. Lance, Alex, that's a deal. Anna, you're invited too. Drug talk, LOL 121. Weed ain't no drug. Alex, William, I used to do drugs. I still do it, but I used to do too. Lance, loving it. GameStop emoji, power to the players. GameStop 160.62 on the aftermarket, down 49 cents. And over on IPOE, $17 on the nose on 121,000 shares traded, $16.91 last trade right now in the aftermarket. R.I.P. Mitch, Jack Bauer, Anna B. Be safe. Damn it, Jim. Bruce, I took your advice. I'm not buying my wife a gift. As a matter of fact, I'm going to sell something of hers to buy more IPOE. There you go. See, she'd really like you for that. John Van, exactly. Lance, Alex, I own a smoke shop. Let's get into business. Sharon, Aaron, A Christmas Story is the life of my dad at Ralph's age. Also, I can relate to the ozone discharge when the Xmas tree is plugged into the overloaded socket. Aaron, William, I quit every time I put out the joint, and the pot is an herb and not a drug like nicotine or alcohol. Shades and thumbs from John Van, mother of Mumbai. Friday nights, that was easy. Getting sloshy with Uncle Bruce.
That was easy.
Thanks, Uncle Bruce. Sitting on 355 contracts and 250 shares of IPOE and riding the zip. Adam, way to go, Adam. Make a ton of money. Get really rich. Really, 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 really rich. That's beautiful. Best bet. Ace. Colin, zip. Aaron, Sharon, and Granville. I love the movie. It was an 80s kid, and much of it rings true. Lance, Drew, always down to the networks. Bruce, I think you need more thumbs ups. Best if you plead with the group. What do we got for thumbs ups right now? We have 321 right now. Let me just get a refresh on that. We have 566 thumbs up.
Everybody just have to take a drink.
We need more thumbs ups than that, people. You got to give me more thumbs up. Please give me more thumbs ups. I need more than 566 thumbs ups. Come on, you guys. Give me some thumbs ups. Help me out with some thumbs ups. I need thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for the thumbs ups. I really appreciate all the thumbs ups. That's beautiful of you. Thank you, all of you. Can you PM members on here? I'm not as think you stoned I am. Mark Blue says, A Christmas Story on Christmas Day for 24 hours every year. That's a goat movie, says SB. Resident Flea, breathe, Uncle Bruce, breathe. Observe thyself. Oh, thank you. Aaron Soren, that's how you spill beer. Red Ginger Snaps, trying to keep up with this feed and Discord is full time. Sharon, Aaron, I have also struck my tongue out to a frozen doorbell as a kid, and it stuck. I was too lazy to pull off my mitts off. It hurt. Ace, best bet. I've been to Quebec before. Tabernacle, laugh out loud. Red Ginger Snaps, Mark, Blue Skies. Let's see comments. Hey, bye, Bruce and Jen. Happy Mother's Day. See you Monday, says Frankie back. Marianne, I'm pretty excited that I finally bought some IPOE at $14.97 today. Thanks, Uncle Bruce. I'm pretty excited and grateful you did too. It's going higher. It's gonna go higher. 17.15 on the aftermarket. You're up already. Speclair TV. What is the story behind Bruce in the doghouse? Will Bruce watch with us live on Saturday Night Live? And yeah, herbs are no drugs, rather than some stuff from the pharmacy. Best bet, Ace. We're cool. A rip, Mitch Hedberg. Drink, says JJ Gunn. Eddie says easy. Mother of Bumpa. Yes, drink to all. Drink opens the door. Opens another beer. Thanks, Bruce. Red Ginger Snaps. Drinking. Sharon, damn it, Jim, surefire way to end up in the doghouse unless, of course, you make big Dola. Ace, best bet, I just know pulling in your leg. Red Ginger Snap, yes, best bet, love the music. 801 viewers, let's go. 80s Kid Rock, Bizzle, not fair. Conduit, okay, let's put on the brakes. Let's think about this on GameStop. They have to buy the shares back. We won't sell until it's $1 million per. I think they may start to understand this at some point in time. They'll figure it out. Thumbs ups from Soren. Thank you, Soren, for these thumbs ups. Holding GameStop through infinite positive catalyst while the price seems to still dip. That was easy. There you go. That was easy. Yes, it did. I regret. I have only one thumb to give for Bruce. Oh my God, that's like 3 drinks. Thumbs. Just got in. Hello, everybody. Bruce, are you liking the IPO SPAC thing? We're watching it. 1704. It's looking good in the aftermarket. We are loving this. Alex, is there an Uncle Bruce Discord? There is. Blog. Bruce, thoughts on the if the CCIV drop will also happen with IPOE? I have 300 shares. A little worried about when this merge happens. Thoughts? This is going higher. The IPO, he's going a lot higher. Aaron, Mark, Blue Skies. I swear I'm buying my land from a guy named Mark at Blue Skies Land. Well, now I have cotton mouth. I too need something to drink. 11 IPOE today, says SB. Colin, oh my God, I haven't thumbs up yet. I failed you all. I fixed it now. Aaron, Drew, I don't get cotton mouth from the new strains. Cheers, everybody. From Uncle Bruce, that was easy. So easy. Nice of you to be here. We're on to the last of 19 minutes of this show, and we have a tie for first place for the largest donation of the day. We have 3 or 4 donations that have been $100 a piece today, and I thank all of you $100 donators. As always, you just blow my mind that you're kind enough to do that for us. So kind of you. A live cast from the doghouse. What's going to get alcohol poisoning tonight? Be careful, bagelheads. You guys are making me drive so much fun. Yes. Gotta go to work, says Mercurin. Have a good one, everybody. Sal, this is big person's drinking game. Easy on the buzzer. Can strawberry, cucumber, sparkling water kill you if you drink an 8-pack?
Easy on the buzzer there, Bruce.
I've been on the buzz. Easy on the buzzer, Bruce. Easy. That was easy.
I have a question.
Okay, here we go.
I'm wondering if anybody has had one of the cannabis beers, in quotation, and what they think of them, because I haven't had one yet.
Has anyone had a cannabis infused beer yet in any of those legal states or provinces in Canada? Have you had a cannabis beer? Let us know. Hey, Uncle Bruce, what are we supposed to do until Monday? Don't go. Hey, Jen, tell Uncle Bruce to stay. Sal, laugh out loud. Indeed, stale bagels equals cottonmouth. Sounds delish. Colin, it's okay. We make mistakes. Bruce, does Tesla have a minivan? If so, I want to rock one. We need a Discord so we can talk to members. We have a Discord for Bruce. Drew AZ. We shall venture for the Cottonmouth, Aaron. Let's see. Residential Free. Come over to Discord. We're all there all weekend. I'm getting, what's this here? I'm getting something green for next week. One for the ditch. Link me, please. Damn it, drink. Do it, Jen. We can link in this chat. I have a cousin named Aaron Paul in California. Laughing out loud. Lance, yes. What do you think, says Soren? There's a lot of private conversations going back and forth. I don't know what's going on. Yes, I've had the cannabis beer. It's kind of weird. Jen partakes in the weed. Go for it, Jen, but go easy on it.
Yeah, that's just it, because it shows that it's like 23 or 24 milligrams. I think I'd just be totally baked.
Be baked. What's it called? Can buy it in the kiosk in Denmark. There's a post in Stock Markets with Bruce.
Come
That's
to Canada. You can buy it in every cannabis store.
Yes, you can. We've had a cannabis beer or two in Las Vegas. Tasty, but wouldn't get me high, says Dave. I have, and the wines both are good in my opinion. And Soren and Switzerland. Yes, cannabis beer one time and last, says JJ Gunn.
Oh, no.
Can you believe we are about what we're at, about what we started out Monday? I get paid Wednesday, going to buy 4 more. Resin Flea saying, K, Lance, I had one from France called Cannab Fizz back 20 years ago too. Wow. Just when I thought I couldn't like Jen anymore. What is the Discord link? I run marketing for Canna Beer. Friends of friends here make CBD wine as well. I don't know the name, but it was on tap at a local brewery. I don't really recommend
Right, it's like a craft
by
beer.
the way.
They just-
I have had a coffee infused beer, have to say, on top of my limited list. Kind of weird. $16.90 on IPOE, by the way.
$16.98.
Yeah, $16.98. THC and alcohol
17.
tend to make people pretty disoriented in combination. I like it. $17. Nope, not to worry about IPOE. It's way better than CCIV, Lucid Motors Unproven. IPOE is SoFi platform. We're already up and running. Exactly. I'm going to move to Canada and drink Canna's beer with Jen. John, red schnapps, are you a nutritionalist? Cookies aren't nutrition. SB, they make cannabis beer in that show, Distillers, and they said it was not so good. Best bet, drink beer and smoke separately. Jen says best bet. 24 milligram per beer is pretty heavy. Lance, what state? Oh my God, love you, Jen. Baked, love it. I saw cannabis beer in Prague, but is there no THC? Seems like we will have to wait about a month for the mother of all short sales. John Van, actually a personal trainer. I tried the cannabis bubbly fruit pop, but not beer though. It was delicious. Jen is the new original gangsta. CBD doesn't do anything though. It has THC. That's another story. Imagine how many donuts you can eat when you're that baked, Jen. The French one was by volume, 1% or something. Laugh out loud, beer, not bear. Discord, there's the Discord link right there. Booze and weed at the same time. You can get cannabis tea as well, which makes it more pleasant to drink when ice cold. I'll send a bottle of can of wine if I can. Best CBD cream I found is Papa and Barkley. Lance, you don't look old enough. Ashley, that's a bunch. That's a bunch, and it changes in your liver, so it penetrates the brain barrier way more easier than if you smoked it. Some real experts here. Scary. Let's see here. Drew, what state? I'm in Virginia. The movement has started. G-Snap. Jen, please don't waste your money on that. Colin, I brew my own beer and add a tincture, and that works, but you can't have much of it. Gosh, Bruce, Jen, I'm writing this with comments, hoping you take a breath. And Jen has a quick laugh on us. Bruce.
What's his tincture made up of? Is it just THC, or is it THC with CBD or CBN, or what is it?
Yeah, there's a. I hope you got that, Bruce. I bought a $200 super chat to swing by D around, but it didn't show. But I was in charge. I don't know what that means. Mike, $100 donation from Michael. Thank you, Michael, so much for that. Commas. I meant. Gosh, it should take my time though. Thanks, Mike. 10 milligram for gummy is perfect. Trust me, it's the way to go. It saves your lungs from smoke. Sally Mander, love your profile picture. That's 4 or 5 of you that are all tied at $100 each for the highest donation of the day. You guys are loved. Loves you guys. I love your profile picture. Aaron, cannabis butter in coffee is my favorite. Texas, Michael, way to go. And DE made me think of the sparkling peach wine I got in South Korea in 1987. It got me so drunk and I slept 24 hours. Tasted like Kool-Aid. They didn't tell me it had opium in it. Mike, is in the house. Michael's in the house calling dangerously. Michael, cheers. Bruce, I bought a $200 super chat to swing by around, but it didn't show, but I was charged for it. I haven't seen it. Let me take a peek at my channel for something here. Let me go over here. Let me go over there to over there. And let me see if I can find it, this whole thingy over here. And then I will go over to here and I will go to supers and look at my super chats. We have see all. There they come right there. What do you got, Jen?
I have my chocolate mold that, so you tell people that it's cannabis chocolate. And then I have my cookie cutter.
See? And it's a cannabis leaves.
It's the cannabis leaves.
See? How cool is that?
You guys got to come to Canada.
You guys got to come to Canada. See, Texas did a $100 donation. Jaspil did a $99.99. KN did $4.99. Ashley did $100. Michael did $100. Those I see so far on the official site over here. I don't see a $200 one though showing anywhere. Oh, pardon me. Excuse me, folks. As I keep going through it. Shucks, says Kayla. Where are we? Pardon me, folks. Trying to catch it. Oh my gosh. They're just coming through here. Shucks. Shucks, thanks. I was probably 18 or 19 at that point. Hard to remember. There are beverages Canada with the THC and no alcohol. Sal, Cala. Yes, crossfade, now most preferred. Drew, I'm in California in wine booming county, so it went hand in hand, become a thing. Call and thumbs ups. JJ Gunn, Michael. Jen, buy some gummy bears. Laugh out loud. Scary, says Dave. She's got gummies. She does the gummies. Drew, calling the hair. I'm too high for that, huh? Ashley, cheers, Mike. I love California. Grew up there. If I ever make it back, I'll hit you up on this channel. Bruce, cannabis has been used by humans since Egyptian times. Callie. Says Callie. It's a THC tincture. It's a THC tincture. Drops that go in the glass. It's okay. SB, best bet you're taking Coke of wheat gummy bears. Kane, definitely. Drew, Ashley, cheers. Aaron, I bought you a $200 super chat and it didn't show up. I was charged. Laugh out loud. I don't have it. I don't see it here. I'm not sure if it's going to show anywhere. Did you do a PayPal? Let me double check my PayPal. No, I don't have a PayPal here for this. No, I don't have it here on. So it wasn't PayPal. You sure it was? You didn't. No, you can't have sent me elsewhere. It had to be here, and it's not showing here. So I do not know what came of it, what happened to it, what's going on with it. I have no idea here. 1702 on IPOE now. 1714. There's no THC in bears. I'm am in the van down by the river. Baja, you were all rotten. I'm like Jen more. I like Jen more and more. I can mail you some brownies, Jen. Not through the U.S. mail. You're not going to do that. I believe this tincture is made with hedge tears. JJ Gunn, second the gummy suggestion. It's the right way to go. Red, I can't do 10 milligrams. I'll be out like a light. Michael has got you. Michael, I don't know. I got some bears. Eat a whole lot of wheat. Sounds like soju versus high concentration. Bruce, Cali meetup when GameStop moons. Haha, Cali, yep. I didn't show in the chat. Oh, geez, I'm supposed to have something in by the end of business today. 12 minutes to focus. I've got 8 minutes to go, and he's gone. Marijuana-infused chocolate Irish coffee. Oh, the dreams were in Technicolor. 1730 IPOE, guys. 1715, 1730 for the high. Holy moly. Michael, were you here the day everyone was trying to get him to say things? Nice. Can of butter coffee and go back to bed laughing out loud. Jen, I bow to you. Tincture is it's like Coke on the nips. Not my thing though. Oh, that's kind of weird. Jen makes edibles? No, Jen likes edibles. She doesn't make edibles. Well, although she does have the little chocolate maker thingy, but she doesn't make those, I don't think. You don't make those, do you, with those? I don't know. She's got her headphones on. I don't know what's going on. Soren, see the difference? Lance, loving it. Colin, Jen is blowing my mind right now. Rick, laugh out loud. I have the same thing in the Netherlands. Whoa, says Evan. Jen, you're officially the coolest. Auntie Jen is down with it. Love you, Jen. Humans have used cannabis since Egyptian times. Thank you. Where am I? Here we go. Okay, I'm about 8 minutes away from having to exit to the kitchen to work on dinner. Thanks for another fun show. Catch you later. And ROFL, Jen, thank you, Sharon, so much. We use it to make ice cubes. Oh, Canada, best bet. Kayla, yes, good stuff. I have that same mold in green. Jen, love it. Brownies. There are 5 leaves, and you're a horn on 7 on the cannabis. Dober Mamba, not rich, but to my auntie and Jen, and now uncle, you're the best. Thank you, guys. Long on, Jen. That's what I'm telling you. Laugh a lot. Bruce and Jen, will you adopt me? Drew, thank you, Drew, for this donation. Please adopt me, Auntie Jen. Picked nose, psychoactive when I ingest. Brent, I make tincture. You blend raw cannabis flowers into grain alcohol and cook it. Makes infused 190 proof booze. Oh my gosh. Colin, I'm taking Aaron to his word and drinking twice. And get it, Uncle Jen, my people. Alex, thank you for this donation. You keep making edibles, Jen. Way to go. GameStop 161.55 for a while, but not now. Over at IPOE, we are at 17.10. Michael, it was low. Holy, you know what? There you go, Colin. Drew, Jinx, poof, and away we go.
That was easy.
I think Jen has hinted at what she'd like to receive for Mother's Day. Let the games begin. Texas is smiling. Aaron, Drew, I would love to try cannabis wine. Sounds especially delicious. Wow, these stickers are awesome. Whale o beef, hooked on Irish accent. Phil, thank you, Phil. Love you, Auntie Jen. Thank you, Phil, for these for this donation too. Thank you. He said she does the gummies. She does. Gotta go. If Jen likes the THC, she really needs to check out Collab Back 44A, all made by Oxley. Damn, Jen, this is real original gangsta from Compton. I definitely agree with the original gangsta. Jen, now I would love to be on a cruise with you. Guys in the future. PayPal, go PayPal through YouTube. Damn it. Conduit, I'm on the client of call right now, but yes, go. Can you grow plants in BC? I think we're allowed 3 at a time in our house if we're allowed to do it. We don't grow them, though. Entirely possible. Aaron, so drunk and he did it in the wrong YouTube window. Aaron Pauling, thank you for the $200. Jen. Soren, I will have to go on a booze cruise with Jen and Bruce. Would be a bomb and we'd never leave the ship. We got a PayPal donation of $200. It just hit. PayPal donation just hit the account. The phone just went blink and it just popped in here. We will see that in just a moment. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for these. Hang on, love this. Love for Uncle Bruce. Send it. It could be difficult with so many potheads on a cruise line. Go, Aaron. I think Aaron did it. Let me double check again. The email just came through here. Waiting for it to show. Let me go over here to PayPal. And there it would be. There it is. If I got it right, is it there? Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Aaron. Just received a donation from Aaron. $200 US. Thank you so much, Aaron. That is awesome stuff, man. In the PayPal account, it's even more valuable than if it comes through YouTube. Thank you guys so much. That is huge. Jen is going, whoa, that's awesome. Thank you. Good luck, Bizel. They'll run out of food. Finn, always, guys. Had a Joe called Oscar speech one. Thank you. Best bet, need a license to grow in BC. The cruise ship could have a garden. Oh, no. Texas is laughing. Bring to love. Conduit. Uncle Bruce said Coke in the nips. Michael laughing. Sharon, Ontario 4 allows 4. Laugh out loud, Bruce. Asking Jen, we don't, do we? Barry Jam, NT 100. Just want to join the $100 club. Thank you, Barry Jam, so much for that. Since way before that, I ate 3 20 millimeter gummies last summer. It was junk for 2 days like vertigo. I killed Gush. Hopefully, we run out of food before the SWAT team joins. Maybe Bruce should consider a cruise line near California, Amsterdam, New York. Barry Jam, cheers. Does NT 100 mean not 100? It's 100 something. It's 100 of something. I'm not sure quite what the 100 is, but it's something. It's something. Barry Jam, Red. Cheers. I'm an ex-DE agent. This lobby would be my greatest bust. If he says online, he'll be back. Cheers. Hey, Bruce, whisper this, please. I have to go to do adult things now. So you guys and girls all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Go enjoy. Does he owe you now? Barry, stay online for story time with Bruce. Certain edibles have a compound that is roughly 30 times stronger than THC. You got to be careful. Okay, I'm going back to work. Resident Flea, be nice. It's been a rough year. We're down to the last minute of the show. Well done, Barry. Thank you, everybody. We're down to the last minute. Weed is legal in Canada, the best place to be on a reserve. Let's see. I'll sponsor the cruise. Don't worry about the smoking supplies. Cheers. Dog pushing 65 cents. Have a great night, Bruce and others. Enjoy the weekend. Thanks, says Ginger. My state just went legalized. Yay. I so apologize for this comment, but thought Jen does gummies might have just meant she takes her teeth out. We can have 4 plants in BC, no size limit. Mwah! Aaron, nope, you only do do tube window. Just read it again. We'll dispute the first one. Oh my gosh. John Van, we can grow 6. KN, Bruce, you need to really take a close look at Jen's oregano plants. Aaron, Bruce, that was me. Thank you so much, Aaron. Oh my God, my bladder. Laugh out loud. Alex, way difficult. Why difficult? We'll all be chilling. Splair TV, you too. Those are tomato plants. Aaron, Drew. Sorry, haha. Usually kind of shy. Maybe next time use SoFi for transfers. Aaron, where are we at now on SoFi? IPOE 1720 in the aftermarket. Volume of 258,000 shares. It's picking up over there too. Aaron wins. Aaron is the #1 donator today. $200 donation on PayPal. Thank you so much, all of you, for these donations. You just blow us away. Actually, I literally grow cockroaches for the reptile industry. That's how I earn enough like printing money. Pretty awesome stuff. Until this cruise ship needs you as a captain. Laugh out, love it when Jen laughs her ass off in the background. You join the Uncle Bruce Libation Happy Hour. Aaron, Ashley, I can't do gummies. They hit too sporadically. Michael, come and get me. Aaron, Resident Flea, except it's legal in AZ. So yep. Ginger Snaps, exactly. Aaron Polling, that's how we upgrade. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm out. I'll see you Monday. That's how it's going to go. We're going to be here on Monday, guys. It's Friday now. Thank you, everybody, so much for being here. Happy Mother's Day, everybody, from Jen to you. Thank you for all of us here at Stock Markets with Bruce. Uncle Bruce, blown away, as I'm always blown away by you. Incredibly generous people. Thank you so much. We are going to turn this off. I'm going to rest a little bit. And I go back on the air at 7 o'clock Eastern time on TWB, Traveling with Bruce. I'll be doing the live show tonight, trivia tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern on Traveling with Bruce. If you're a sponsor member, come on over there. We'll have some fun. Thank you, all of you. In the meantime, happy Mother's Day. Have a good time. Enjoy a trivia tonight at 7 o'clock. Pop on by if you like. Everyone, have a great weekend. Texas, you too. Thank you guys so much for everything, guys. Take care. Be safe. Stay healthy. Get your vaccination shots as soon as you can. And let's get traveling sooner rather than later. I can't wait. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. All righty, guys. That's it. We're out of here. We'll talk to you Monday, 1 hour before the opening. Get ready for IPOE. Here we go. IPOE. We could be in for one heck of a ride next week already. Let's make some money. And GameStop 161.01. Can't wait for that one to take off too. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And have a good one. All right, bye for now.